sesame on camera, but in case you guys are making sesame bagels, make sure that you apply the sesame seeds after boiling the bagels, but before baking them. Again, after boiling the bagels and before. Okay guys, so right here I was just showing you guys how the dough looks and how the consistency of it should be. Very pliable. And then I'm just gonna spray my stainless steel bowl real light. I'm gonna throw that bad boy right in there. Put it together, throw it in. Take the saran wrap and you wanna tightly make sure you cover the entire bowl so you can trap that moisture and that heat inside. That way the yeast can react with the moisture and then it'll rise and proof. And then it'll be even more soft and easier to roll, but that's gonna be later on in the video, so stay tuned. I'll be leaving me soon. Alright, we're gonna label that plain and sesame because I'm gonna split that up. These are 2 different bagels and they make 7 each. 7 to 8 bagels each. So it's obviously 518, so you proof it for 1 hour.